What's the meaning of corsage? Corsage. Corsage.
Corsage. Corsage. Corsage refers to a small bouquet of flowers worn by women on a dress or formal outfit, usually for special occasions such as weddings, proms or graduations. The term is also used to describe the arrangement of flowers and other decorative elements that make up the bouquet. Corsages are often pinned onto a dress or attached to a wristband. They can be made from a variety of flowers, including roses, orchids, and carnations, and may also include additional embellishments such as ribbons, pearls, or beads. Overall, corsages are a popular and elegant accessory for formal wear.